Hi guys, my name is Ahmed and I'm an estimator here at SHEETH. I'm here with Huss, who is our Managing Director. Today we're going to talk to you guys about value engineering. So Huss, would you like to explain to us what value engineering is?
Value engineering is basically trying to achieve the best possible outcome without any unnecessary costs. In summary, it's addressing the entire design of a project, understanding what is necessary and what is not, ensuring that you're getting a project that is durable, efficient, and not wasting any materials in the process.
At what stage should clients start thinking about value engineering?
As early as possible. Often we tell clients to include us right at the start. That's to protect them and ensure that our decisions around value engineering are proactive, and we're actually looking at achieving the client's design intent and outcome without compromising on anything. When value engineering is left too late, often you start getting compromises on the design, or you start trying to find cost-cutting exercises, and that's not what value engineering is about. It's about refining the design to achieve a really great outcome.
What are your top 3 ways to save money without compromising quality?
Number 1, engage early. As soon as you know you've got a project that you're thinking about doing, engage your designer early, engage your builder early. It's going to mean everyone's being ultra proactive about achieving your desired outcome. The longer you leave it, the more pressure you're going to put on the designer, who's probably going to resort to choosing materials that they know are safe and could be expensive. And you're leaving the builder no time to help provide good suggestions to achieve your desired outcome to your desired budget.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Definitely makes the tendering stage a whole lot smoother.
Yeah, that's right. So my second suggestion, complexity, it costs money. Simplify the design. Often, complex designs will cost more money for an outcome that isn't any better than simplifying the design. So with simple design achieves really good result with smart material selection, and often highlights the heroes in each project without cluster. Number 3, choosing the right materials, not the expensive ones. Just because an item is expensive doesn't mean it's the right product for what you need. Almost always, the right material means it's durable, it's fit for purpose, and it's going to achieve the aesthetic that our client actually needs for their project.
We've been in the construction industry for almost 10 years now, and we've delivered many projects where alternative items have been specified for less. So we'd like to give some examples of this.
Yeah, God. I mean, at SHEETH, we've now built several hundred projects, and I can't remember a project that our value engineering wasn't administered and actually embedded into the design. Our facade for the Double Bay project, which is the jewel of Double Bay at the moment, that entire facade was meant to be done in structural steel, and it was actually meant to support the structure for the building. And through our value engineering, we were able to change the facade to an aluminium lightweight structure. We shifted the structural component into internal concrete columns. It gave the architect more freedom and flexibility because aluminium is easier to work with, but it also gave our client a facade that was more durable, had much better longevity, was going to withstand the weather better, and it removed the dependency on this beautiful facade element, also trying to be a structural element. Whilst that saved several $100,000, the client actually ended up with a better outcome. And this is what I mean. Often value engineering is not about just saving money, it's about providing a better result. Another great example, Touchwood, a recent restaurant we finished in the fish markets, as you'd know. We had an entire ceiling that was designed to be plywood. The entirety of the time I thought it was because the client wanted to see the plywood. After noting that the ceiling was in fact to be painted, we asked the question, and the designer thought that we needed to have a structural ceiling there to hold her timber batten system. So through our building expertise and understanding how to build, we were able to change the entire system of the ceiling to a plasterboard ceiling, which got painted, achieved the same result, saved several $1,000s, and held the timber component through our ceiling grid system that was designed to hold the weight. And I think the last one, which comes up often, particularly for me, is the recent Cub fit out. that we did in the city in King Street. The specified stone was an engineered stone, and a nice engineered stone, but nonetheless was an engineered stone. So we were able to swap out the engineered stone and provide that value engineering item to the client by changing it to a real marble through the use of our suppliers that we could recommend and suggest. And so the client ended up with a spectacular design over 3 levels using natural marble instead of engineered stone at no additional cost. And this is why it's important to really understand what is value engineering and why do we need it.
Huss, it was great chatting with you today.
I appreciate your time. If you want to know more about value engineering, reach out to myself and my team. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.